I have more camera gear. Let's go. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, it's because it's a sandbag. Oh no. Of course it's heavy. It's meant to be heavy. So what did I order? I got a light dome, which pretty much goes over top of like a video light. Just helps to filter it, dampen the light a little bit. I don't have one of those. I was actually borrowing Wolf's for a shoot. And afterwards I went online and they were on sale, like 30% off. So I scooped one up. Other than that, what's up guys? It is Friday. It's like noon right now. Woke up, got some work done. Going to drop this off, like I said, to Wolf, grab some lunch. We'll see how Wolf is doing. But yeah, happy Friday. Gonna get a little bit of a vlog in. So right now headed to LSKD, which is a local athletic clothing brand. It's actually right down the road from me, so I can just walk over here. Very casual, and it's a pretty cool shop. A lot of the homies work there. I also like a lot of their merchandise. Here we are, and I will show you guys inside of the store a bit, if I can. I think I can. Oh yeah, that's speckled. Awesome. Yeah. You can film right onto the drone. Dark.
Yeah, where is that? You got one
Red line.
This is cool. It's brown with the.
I have that. It's my favorite.
This is sick.
It's one of my favorite ones.
What?
These pump covers are dope. I gotta get a pump cover one day. The whole vlog knows Wolf. Even though I vlogged yesterday, I was like, Wolf does vlog Fridays, and you motivated me.
I gotta make one today.
You motivated me
I totally gotta make one today, bro.
to grab the camera. Goodbye.
Goodbye, vlog. I'll see you tonight, bro.
See you tonight.
There, dude.
Yeah, if you do a wheelie. Let's see it.
Wait, my phone might fall out.
Wait, is that a YouTube video?
Yeah, brother, fist bump.
Actually?
Boom,
Wait, what's
fist bump.
your YouTube?
Boom. See you guys. Word, you'll be in it. You'll be in it. Bike safe, kids. Have fun. All right, crushed like half of that Chipotle. We're gonna go hit a workout now. Kevin and I.
Yeah, let me just take a small amount. It's gonna kill me.
The boys are getting some pre-in.
Oh Jesus Christ! Yeah, I'll do the same thing. Did you get a new one?
I have a better idea.
And this is pre-workout.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go for the pump.
Yeah. Pumping it.
You scoop it in, I'll hold it up.
No, you got it.
We gotta watch it go in there.
Oh, number one.
I'm not.
Let's not kill us.
Do like that's good right there.
Well, you gotta get the butt first.
Smell a little fishy to you? Smell it.
Fishy? Yeah. Smells a little gross. It smells a little gross in there.
Yeah, I don't know what is going on in this thing.
Did you put the pre-workout in the fridge?
No! That was you!
I put the pre-workout in the fridge. You definitely did.
You do it and then you blame it on me.
I'm gonna go watch
the video, dude. I
Watch
didn't
the
touch any of
We
it.
can put the.
Did you have your chicken fucking shit in
I
there?
might have had my chicken shit there. Cut to yesterday's clip of the chicken. No, this is chicken noodle soup, like broth. So it's just chicken broth with some vegetables. All right, off to the gym. See you guys there. I'm gonna record on iPhone. Bye. There he is, king of the. I knocked out another kettlebell circuit, which felt really good. Just trying to do more body movement rather than heavy weights, stagnant stuff. So yeah, Kevin and I crushed that. It was 30 seconds on the assault bike with a 15-second or 15 rep kettlebell, and do that for 15 sets. Gonna knock out 3 minutes here in the ice bath. Call it a day. What did you get?
I got some rabbit. Got some rabbit.
We're just one big family. Look at the basketball hoops on the side of the top right. All right, guys, back from the gym. Did not do the sauna today, just hit the ice bath. But we are still tracking our ice baths.
You gotta add me.
Add one for you?
Yeah.
Gotcha. 5, 10, 15. I'm at 19 right now. Aiden's at 5, 10, 15, 17. It's close.
Closer than it was last
I
time.
thought you were there. Yeah. So we're still having a showdown. It's been months of having the ice bath showdown, but we are headed to Shakespeare's for a bit, which is an English pub, but they have the best Guinness around. So Aiden, Jared, and I are gonna grab a few Guinnesses, and then probably head back here to PB. I'm gonna bring my phone along to get some shots. I'm gonna leave my camera here. Not sure what's going on tonight. It's a Friday night. So really no plans, kind of things are up in the air. Anything goes on, grab the camera and bring you guys along. But so far today's been awesome. Got the work done this morning, videos sent out, got to see Wolf, got to get a great workout in with Kevin. It's been just a great day here in San Diego. Let's keep it going.
Because it was like so hard to get your. Yeah.